Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best desktop basketball is probably one of the most exciting and accessible ways to experience the thrill of the hardwood, right from your computer. This video dives deep into the world of desktop basketball games, exploring the best options available, examining their unique features, gameplay mechanics, and overall value, helping you find the perfect game to suit your gaming style and preferences, whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual fan looking for some fun. Number 5. ArtCreativity Mini Basketball Game. It's a classic arcade basketball game, small enough for your desk or tabletop. This set includes the game and 6 mini basketballs, perfect for a quick game anytime. Play solo or challenge a friend. Set up the balls, let them fly, and see who can score the most baskets. It's fun for everyone. It's the ideal size for any desk at home or in the office. It measures just 8.75 inch tall, 11 wide, and 8 deep, so it fits almost anywhere. It's a great way to keep kids entertained for hours, or just a fun way for adults to unwind. It's perfect for sparking a love of sports in children. Looking for a fun gift? This game comes in a sturdy box, making it a great present for birthdays or any occasion. It's sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. What we like. It's a classic arcade basketball game that can be set up anywhere. It's perfect for solo play or with friends, offering hours of fun. If you are looking for a simple, fun game for kids and adults to enjoy together, this is the one for you. What people say. This game is as much fun for the kids as it is for the adults. You can play by yourself or against another player. The scoring is done manually, so no batteries needed. This was easy to set up, and very fun to play. My 12-year-old cousin loved this. As pictured, easily assembled, not too large or small, functions well, giftable. Number 4. SereneLife Dual Hoop Basketball. Get ready for hours of fun with this exciting new game. It's perfect for kids and adults, and it's easy to set up and play. With 8 different game modes, there's always something new to try. Challenge your friends and family to a shootout. It folds up easily for storage, so it won't take up much space when not in use. You can transform any room into a game room. It features a professional-size shooting distance, providing an authentic basketball experience. Get ready to compete for the high score. The front-mounted controls make it simple to keep score and change game settings. It's designed for easy use by players of all ages. Built with durable materials, it's designed to withstand hours of play. The sturdy frame and high-quality net ensure long-lasting fun. It comes with 5 basketballs and a pump, so you can start playing right away. Get ready for some serious hoops action. What we like. This one boasts 8 unique game modes and a foldable design, saving space when not in use. It provides a full-sized playing experience. If you want a challenging and versatile game with multiple game modes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It needed to be up against something to hold it in place, but other than that, after hundreds of balls being chucked at it by the kids, it still looks brand new and in one piece. The electronics worked great and Game 8 at 30 seconds let the kids compete against each other. Definitely wouldn't get one without electronics. Once assembled, it stood on its own as we tossed the balls around, game after game. Sturdy. Everyone couldn't wait for a turn. Kept us busy all throughout the holidays in a good way. We'll need a good amount of space in a house, but the fold-up feature will help. Wasn't sure how good it would be, but it's surprisingly sturdy. Would recommend using on a rougher floor surface like carpet or a rug to prevent it from sliding around. I tend to throw the balls a little hard. Have already played many rounds and foresee it will get a lot of use. Especially nice that it folds up so it doesn't take up as much space when not in use. Number 3. Desktop Basketball Game. It's the perfect way to enjoy a quick game of basketball anytime, anywhere. This exciting game is small enough for your desk, yet big on fun. Simply place it on any flat surface and you are ready to play. It's that easy to get started and enjoy hours of fun. It features a mini basketball court and moving basket, just like a real game. Enjoy the thrill of making those shots. This game is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's a great way to relieve stress and have some fun. It makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of fun and excitement. Watch the LED lights illuminate as you score points. Keep track of your high score on the built-in scoreboard. What we like. This is a fun novelty desktop basketball game with a moving basket that adds an extra challenge. It's compact and perfect for a desk or tabletop. If you're looking for a fun and engaging desktop game, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to play, but not stupid easy, good action, fast, and has nice sound and lights. Different modes and play keep it from being boring. It's a winner spanning generational lines to engage and entertain the child in each of us that never grows old. Number 2. GOODLYSPORTS Mini Basketball. It's the perfect blend of fun and relaxation. This tabletop game is great for kids and adults alike. It comes with a court, rebound, scorekeeper, frames, fences, and 6 basketballs. Everything is included for hours of fun. It's a fantastic way for kids to unwind after a long day of learning, and for adults to de-stress after work. Enjoy some friendly competition. This makes a great gift for birthdays or holidays. It's fun for kids and adults who love basketball. It's a wonderful way for parents and children to connect and have fun together. Create lasting memories with this engaging game. Made by GOODLYSPORTS, a professional manufacturer of basketball toys. We create fun, high-quality products for everyone to enjoy. What we like. It's designed as a desk toy to relieve stress and is perfect for parent-child interaction. It's a great way to bond and have fun together. If you're looking for a fun and engaging game for the whole family, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to put together and easy to play. Having 2 baskets is great because it instantly becomes a competitive game. It's a fun quick game to play with the kids. Good tabletop. Number 1. Tabletop basketball game. Get ready for hours of fun with this exciting new game. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, offering a unique blend of skill and strategy. This set includes 1 court, a rebound with a built-in scoreboard, 2 frames, 3 fences, and 10 balls. Everything you need for instant fun is right in the box. Challenge yourself or a friend to a game. Use the spring-loaded launchers to shoot hoops and see who can score the most points. It's easy to learn, but challenging to master. It's more than just a game, it's a fun way to relieve stress after a long day at work or school. Enjoy some friendly competition and let loose. This game is perfect for family game nights. It's a great way to bond with your kids and create lasting memories together. Enjoy quality time while having a blast. Looking for the perfect gift? This game is suitable for kids of all ages, making it an ideal present for birthdays or holidays. It's fun for everyone. What we like. This game is perfect for multiple players and includes a built-in scoreboard for added competition. It's suitable for all ages and skill levels. If you are looking for a fun and competitive game for the whole family, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to make, nice and competitive, very small so you can take it anywhere. It's durable and really fun and hard to play, but that makes it fun. The kids love playing this game, and they could both play at the same time. It's very inexpensive toy and I brought it as a gift on a recent visit. They played it the whole week. I was there. My grandsons are 6 and 8 and when their friends came over, they played with it also. The game itself is really easy to assemble. Just insert the back piece into the bottom, and then add the 3 dividers and 2 baskets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.